Hey gorgeous girls, this is Shehla today. Let's get started with an eye look today. We are going to do one color look which is going to be so simple and easy. The star product today is by Danessa Myricks. These are the neon colors. Neon can be very tricky to wear on your eyes, and this is how I have done it. I have just put the color onto my lid, and because I have hooded eyes, I have left everything clean, nothing else on it. What I'm gonna do is we are gonna need a flat brush like this. I have put some color in here, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get this color on in here from the outer part, and then I will start moving in. First layer I have just stayed on my mobile lid, and I am gonna go down under the eye, and this color fixes so quick, and the color payoff, this is like out of this world. I haven't seen anything. Danessa Myricks, you did an excellent job of creating this color fix product. There are many other brands who make products. P. Louise being the one of those who pioneered it. Then these color sticks, you can use sticks, but this product, do invest in it. You're gonna like blow crazy with this. There's nothing on it, and it will run along the edges. What it is actually gonna do, there is no blending, but the edges which are sharper, it will just soften them down a little bit. I'm gonna take Surat Beauty, this color, which is an inner corner highlight. An inner corner highlight is a must for me. Magra, this blush, which is like a very toned down nude color for my, I used it for my blush, and I used the same shade of the lipsticks as well. I'm going into the crease with this color. This is the trick that actually makes a huge difference, that ties all of your makeup together. In and out, again and again. So let's have a look. You see, this is how my eye looks. This is how this eye looks with the mascara and lashes. This is the finished look of today's tutorial. I hope it was a helpful one and you had a great time.